Hello and welcome to Start Left Security's platform demonstrations. I am part of Start Left Security's AI support team. I will be walking you through a series of platform features and why they are important to your organization to have. The main feature of this video is Sscs. Sscs stands for Software Supply Chain Security and refers to the measures and practices put in place to protect the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of software throughout its lifecycle, from development to deployment and beyond. As software development increasingly relies on third-party components, open source libraries, and external vendors, securing the software supply chain has become crucial. Sscs covers the entire software development lifecycle, your full SDLC from early stages of initial design of an application through development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Our platform's product-centric integration model wraps your team in their tools, learning the associated people and behaviors. Using analytical alerting, it detects insider threat activities across code repositories, pipeline tools, and build processes. It's the full, complete picture. Let's jump back into our platform and have a look at the software supply chain security we have wrapped around your products through this product view. When we talk about software supply chain security, it starts with the source code itself. Here's your source code repo. This could be GitHub, Azure DevOps, GitLab, Bitbucket, or others. This is where the code lives, essentially. First set of questions your organization needs answers to that we provide. Are your repositories configured securely? Who has access to them? Are your repos private or public? If they are private, if someone changes the code repo to public, we make you aware of it because you need to know if it was intentional or not. Other important information that our platform provides is developer activity, identifying who's doing what and which developers are committing to which projects. Our platform allows for an overall tracking of commit activity, starting at the source level. We also provide a powerfully robust, easy-to-use ticketing system, helping you manage the work that the developers are doing. Are you creating tickets for your bugs and code changes? Are you going through the peer review process? Or is code changes being reviewed by others? We also use this to track any vulnerabilities or findings that we discover or that we evidence on our platform. You can even create work items and assign them to a developer to remediate easily. Remember, this is a platform built by developers to communicate to management seamlessly. A simple example is you can create a ticket and then track the progress of that ticket. And once that work is completed, you run a scan using our built-in SCA scanner and verify that the vulnerability has been eliminated before we actually close out the risk. Simple as that, and all connected and trackable, plus extremely easy to execute. This platform was built to make the developers' lives easier and management's lives less stressful and easier to manage their products all from one view. SBOM, Management and Software Supply Chain Security. Ensure robust security by managing software bills of materials, SBOMs, and monitoring the integrity of code contributors and sources of code and associated risks or policy violations. If you haven't had a chance to check out our SBOM demo video, I recommend doing so and getting a bigger picture of the power our platform provides to your company as a whole and the developer as a valuable asset that we are built to support and provide growth and recognition. We plan to go over Sscs in much more detail in later videos because it is so important for organizations to start now. And if you have already begun your software supply chain security, we hope you start left. The main thing we want you to take away from this video is that software supply chain security is essential in today's interconnected and component-driven software development landscape. By implementing the correct Sscs practices, organizations can protect their software from emerging threats, ensure the integrity of their code, and maintain the trust of their users and stakeholders.